I had always thought of this. Let me say this. If art wasn't in existence, then creation wouldn't be a word ever to be used. Because every movement we make is an unintentional act. Why will you not want to create something intentionally? I'm Miss Nunu. Lovely, welcome back to my channel, and to all my new subscribers, welcome to the family. This is a channel that is based on arts, textiles, beadwork, embroidery, and all the arts you can think of, and even DIY. So meet me here every time. Put on your notification bell and subscribe. And what are you waiting for? So let's try our hands on this easy DIY centerpiece. Yes, it's so easy and it's from a can. So now measure the circumference of the can, also the length. Now please add 2 inches to the measurements of the circumference and cut out the measurements on a piece of felt. I have a white felt. You can also use any color of your choice. I prefer white because it complements my blue roses. Now add some glue to the surface of the felt. Roll the can carefully on the felt to wrap the can. And the next thing we are going to do is to get a ribbon and wrap it around the vase. Yes, from grass to grace, it's now a vase. And get our roses together. And insert it into the vase. And if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe, like, comment, share, and just tell me something in the comment below. Tell me anything you liked about this video. Even if you didn't like anything, tell me something. And meet you here next time. Don't forget to put on your notification bell, and